Hello everybody, my name is Abigail and I'm going to introduce myself, and this is my first YouTube channel, so I hope you like it. So let me introduce myself. This is my YouTube channel. It is called the English Dictionary and I will help you with English grammar. So pay attention and also enjoy at the same time. So I am going to tell you most of the basics of English, and when we think of basics we mostly think of verbs and nouns and describing words, right? Well, today I'm going to be talking about nouns, the very common nouns that we have learned as a child. So, nouns. So, nouns are the things you have learned as a child, right? We have learned it in second or first grade, and we have known more things about it, about how, where we use it, and how to use it, right? So, let me show you. So, nouns are naming words. They consist of names, places, things, and as well as animals, of course. We all knew this as a child. Now, let's go see some more examples. So the first example we're going to talk about is names. So let's take names. We have plenty of names. Like take my name. My name is Abigail, right? So in my name, the first letter is A. So A should be written in capital or small? Capital, of course. You can see some examples here. Your mom's name, Sanjana. So the S has been given in capital because, yes, you're supposed to write it like that. And your name is Sneha. It is also not like you are supposed to write it, you're supposed to write the first letter in caps because you're supposed to write it like that. It's also because it's a noun. So whenever we note down names of different people, we write them in capital letters. So I'm talking about the first letter of a name. Places. We all know places, right? But these are not places like your home or the bench you are sitting on. So don't think I'm telling like a joke. I'm just telling this to some people who do like this, but I am not judging them. I am not criticizing or judging them. So, sometimes when people call them, you don't say someone is calling you and they're asking, where are you? You don't say, I'm sitting on my bench, right? That's just so silly and doesn't make sense at all. Which bench are you sitting on? There are many hundreds of benches around the world. So that makes sense, right? That makes sense. But when you're telling that you're sitting on a bench, that does not make sense. So places like the Taj Mahal and Agra, even though this means just one type of word, these are separated into two words, and both of them, their first words have been given in capital. And your school names could be anything. It could be Chennai Public School. So, for example, Chennai Public School, the C in Chennai and public and school, not every C in them, like the first letter of the three words Chennai Public School, they'll be given in capital. And also the name of your house. So when a postman is asking for your address and where is your house, you and what is the name of your house, you would say the name of your house. Exactly, you would say an apartment or the exactly your house. So animals, we all love animals, but sometimes they turn crucial to us because we don't realize what we have done to them. So we know many animals. Let's take a look on how it is in the nouns, shall we? So the first one is a tiger. So what I want to tell you about these animals and many other nouns that we have seen is when we are using them in a sentence. For example, the cat is on the mat. So we write the cat in caps in capital letters. So when we are writing the cat is on the mat, the T in the will be capital and the C in cat will be capital. Am I right? Yes. So tiger, cat, reindeer. That's right. And many are there though. So things. Now when we think of the word things, we think of many stuff and toys in our house. This also works with nouns. So what I wanted to know while reading this paragraph is when I told the word things and after I read the sentence, I was assuming that some of you might have thought in your mind like, um, some of you might have thought in your mind like, wait, the toy which I have in my backpack is a thing, and some of you might have assumed by touching a thing and telling like this is a thing, like the table is a thing. So yeah, let's see. The table, book, and gadget. This also, when we are using it in sentences, we write them down as the first letters in capital. That's right. So let's recap, shall we? So, yes, the nouns consist of name, place, animals, and things. So when we are using the nouns in a sentence, we write the first letter of the noun in capital letters. And what else? Yes. So these are the main rules of nouns. It can also be used to describe something. And I am concluding this by saying thank you for watching, and this is by English Dictionary. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And next to the subscribe button, you will find a bell notification in which when you click it, you get notification on the same videos like I post every single day. And if you want to know when I'll be posting these kind of videos, don't forget to read the description below and you will know. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you.